AIN is proud to announce the winner of the 2020 Top Flight Awards training category, Rolls-Royce's virtual reality training. Rolls-Royce began virtual reality training in March with its two-day BR725 familiarization class. Participants joined the class remotely, logging in over the internet while wearing VR glasses and handheld VR controllers. The development of the VR class came at a propitious time when much of the world became inaccessible for travelers due to the coronavirus pandemic. The benefit of the VR training is that students can learn about the parts of the engine that they might be able to see only if the real engine was fully disassembled. And they can see all the subsystems and components exactly as they relate to each other, either in an as-assembled view or by virtually taking them apart, assembly by assembly, piece by piece. Both the instructor and student can use a virtual marker to draw on any part of the engine. The student can view the engine in various ways, for example, by virtually walking inside the engine and looking around, by using a cutaway tool to slice into the engine from side or front, or by highlighting each subassembly and moving it off the engine and then taking a close look at its components. The VR training is instructor-led, so someone is always there to help explain what the student is viewing. There's no end to the possibilities of VR training, and Rolls-Royce has taken a compelling piece of technology and turned it into a practical training tool.